Hey, welcome home. Welcome to the Resiners poorhouse. Are you excited? Are you so excited? I am so excited. So this is going to be a short video to show that I got some happy mail, I already know that it's from Lauren 911, and I am just so excited to see what this is. So let's open it up. Haven't opened it yet. Just whip right into this thing. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh, Lauren! Oh, large octopus resin mold. Yeah, that's what. Oh my gosh! He's beautiful and gigantic. Oi, 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 oi. Wow. Look at how detailed. Look at his little eyes. And he's got little suction cups on his tentacles. Oh my gosh. What a great mold. This is a really quality, thick, beautiful, gigantic mold. I wonder how much it holds. These are relatively shallow. The head is not. Oh, goodness. Lauren, thank you so much. Oh, so normally I would do this all in one video, but I just wanted to put this up to show you what I got. Oh, look at you, my octopus ring that I always wear. You know I like octopus. Oh, thank you so much. This was off of my Amazon wish list. I'm not entirely sure yet what I am going to do with it. We have a Halloween collaboration coming up. Maybe it might be cool to do a Halloween something with it. So let me think about that. And yeah, if not, then I will put the video up. Well, maybe pour it today. Unmold it tomorrow, then have a day or two of editing, and then it'll be up. So excited to dive into this. Guys, it doesn't have to be me, but if you have a YouTuber that you really appreciate, that you really like, check out to see if they have an Amazon wish list, and do something great for someone, especially a small creator, a small growing YouTube channel. It helps give them content, and it boosts their confidence so much when you know that someone likes you and wants to see you do something that they sent you. So, oh, this is going to be one of my most favorite treasured molds of all time. Okay, thank you, mwah, mwah, mwah. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Okay, remember to stay sticky, and you always have a home here.